cloudy evening, quite dark now. It's 5 p.m. in my place. You see these beautiful flowers? I love the color, bougainville, and some chili over there, the green chili. And now what I'm going to photograph is the flower head over there. The flower petal is just appear a little, and it looks very beautiful. The combination between yellow and red color. So I'm going to photograph that with my Nikon D5200 and also macro extension. Yeah, okay, let's do it now. Beautiful. I think I need to wait maybe tomorrow or maybe 2 days from now. The flower will fully blossom and it will look very beautiful. I think enough. See you on the next video.